Hey everybody, this is Mrs. Ellsworth, and today we're going to be talking about our practice quiz. So let's go ahead and get started. So number 1, on calculating the formula mass of sodium hydroxide. Well, let's go to the periodic table, look up sodium. Sodium hydroxide, by the way, is NaOH. So we've got to add up a sodium, which is 22.989770 plus oxygen, which is 15.9994, plus hydrogen, which is 1.00794. Okay, we're going to add those all up. There's just one apiece, so there we go. And we're going to get 39.99711. Don't go and round this at all, because we weren't giving anything to do that with. If anything, someday if you take college course chemistry, then you would go and round it to the correct number of 10,000s. But I told you in class to go all the way out to get it correct. Now the next thing is what unit? Well, if it is a formula mass or an atomic mass, then you have to use AMUs. Why AMU? Because this formula right here, an Na, is attached to an OH, okay, or I should say that they're all attached to each other, and so they're not really bonded like this. They're connected but with ionic attraction. And so the thing is that these ones will be, what does one of these weigh? What does one of these weigh? Well, it's not in grams. Grams for a mole. So these ones are an AMU. Okay. So then the next question is calculate the molar mass. Well, that is this. So you get the 39.99711, and this is grams. Because grams, that equals 1 mole of sodium hydroxide. So that one, that's what that weighs. And so we can actually weigh 1 mole. We can do that with grams. So whenever it asks for molar mass, it's grams. If it's asking for atomic mass or formula mass, then it is going to be an AMU. Because these are asking for one little bitty thing. What does it weigh? And now in this one, we're asking for a tray. Here's a tray with some sodium hydroxide heaped up in it. And that's 1 mole. Okay, it's got 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power atoms, or I should say formula units in there. And so that's how much it weighs. Okay.